Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a Direct Express card to Apple Pay. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Select Credit or Debit Card from the list. Use your phone's NFC to scan your Direct Express card or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Apple Pay will then ask for verification. You will receive a verification code via email or text from Direct Express. Enter the code and proceed. Next, review and accept Apple's terms and conditions for using the card. Once everything is verified, tap Next, and your Direct Express card will be successfully added to Apple Pay. Now, your Direct Express card is ready for secure contactless payments in stores and online, wherever Apple Pay is accepted. So that's basically how you can add a Direct Express card to Apple Pay. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.